As winter fades, the world wakes up to spring, bringing new life and fresh energy. Like how flowers bloom in spring, solar panels rise to soak up the sun's endless power. These solar installations are like seeds of change, helping us grow a cleaner, greener planet. The journey to sustainability mirrors the path of spring, brimming with promise and new life. Each solar system installed brings us closer to a brighter, cleaner tomorrow. As spring renews the earth, Growatt Solar Solutions bring fresh energy to our communities. Together, we are building a world where clean energy blooms for generations to come. Growatt, smart energy for a green future.